It is currently 2:54 a.m. and I can't sleep. So I decided to take this opportunity, take advantage of my insomnia and play around with these two palettes. I picked these two up. They're from the Rudolph Coming to Town collection. This is their holiday collection from Etude house. And I got two of them because I'll show you the packaging, but the packaging is really cute. The green one is called Rudolph Pulling the Sled. And the red one is called the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Yeah. So I have not applied this. I've only swatched it, and the colors were amazing. So I thought, why not turn on my camera and do like a holiday look. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Mind you, I'm talking really soft because there's other people in the house that are sleeping right now. So shh. Okay, so let's open them up. This one, the packaging is so cute. The packaging was really on point. They did a good job. So this is the Red-Nosed Reindeer. But look how cute this packaging is. Oh my goodness, I love it. So freaking cute. And then open it up. And this is how it looks like inside. So I'm gonna read the names of the shades. This one is called Red Nose. This one is called Merry Rudolph. But in Korean it says Merry Rudolph Mask. So I don't know, but this one in English is called Merry Rudolph. This one is called Rudolph Star. This one is Sleigh Delivery. This one is Dear or Not. And this one is December 25th. These are the shades for that. But yeah, packaging, honestly, it's so cute. And then next one, oh, I will be doing swatches, by the way. This one is just kind of like leathery material. This is, again, is the Rudolph Pulling the Sled. Very cute. And then inside looks like this. This one is more red tone. This one's more brown natural tone. So you can kind of see the difference. The names for this one is called Reindeer Delivery. This one is called Surprise Gift Box, White Christmas, Running Rudolph, Sled on the Roof, and lastly, Pull the Sled. Now, I'll get to the swatching. I'm gonna use a brush because I feel like that shows the true pigmentation of an eyeshadow. I don't really like to use my fingers, so I'm just gonna take a brush and try to swatch all the shades. So here are my swatches. So for this palette, so here are the swatches for, this is the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Very pretty. This shade is the Rudolph Star, but you can't really see it. It's literally just glitter. I tried to use my finger, but it still didn't come through. So I really love this shade. I really love all the shades on the palette. And there's this one. This one is the Rudolph Pulling the Sled. There's that. Very pretty. Again, the shimmer here, the glitter. This is the White Christmas. Didn't come through. I even tried using my finger. Didn't work. But here they are. Very pretty. So these were the swatches. They're very pretty, and I'm surprised by the pigmentation. So I'm gonna be doing two different looks. One with this palette, the other with this palette. And yeah, I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do because I'm just gonna be playing around with it. But if you're interested in watching me create a holiday look, then keep on watching. So first, I don't know which palette to use first because they all look so good. I think I'm gonna go with this palette first. So I'm gonna be using the Rudolph Pulling the Sled palette first. Honestly, I have no idea what kind of look I'm doing because it's my first time using this palette, but hopefully I come up with something good. Disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I just like playing around with makeup, so yeah, I just want to put that out there that I'm not a makeup artist. So first foundation, I'm gonna be going with the kbeauty foundation. I'm in the shade Buff, and I got this a long time ago, but I'm just opening it because I finished the mini size, so I'm finally opening the big size, the full size. But yeah, this is an amazing foundation. It gives that like healthy glow. So I'm gonna be applying this foundation all over. This foundation has I don't know if I should say, I'm gonna say light to medium. This foundation has light to medium coverage. I really enjoy using this. That glow. So this is how it looks like with one layer. Looks very natural. So yeah, if you like that natural look, definitely one layer is enough. I am only gonna apply one layer and just go with concealer to just cover up any imperfection that I have. Alright, moving on to the eyes. I'm gonna be using this palette first, and so let's just get into it. I'm gonna go in with this color called Pull the Sled. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. Okay, so there's that color. So the next shade is Reindeer Delivery, and I'm gonna apply this on the outer corners of my eyes. Okay, so I think I have all the bases down. Now I'm gonna take a darker shade. This is called Sled on the Roof, with a small brush like this, and I'm just gonna put it on the corner again, but close to my lash line. So I just darkened the outer corners a bit. And then I'm just gonna take this brush and blend everything out. Now I think I'm gonna lighten the inner corners. So I'm going to take this shade, which I'm really excited about because it's so pretty. It's called Running Rudolph. And yeah, when I swatched it, it was just so pretty. So I'm gonna put this on my inner corners, or the inner half. You know what I mean. So to add extra sparkle, I'm gonna take this one called White Christmas with my finger, and I'm gonna place this on top of the shade I just applied to give that extra glitter. You could really see the difference. I want to darken the look just a little bit, so I'm gonna take a bigger brush and go in with that dark shade and then apply it on the outer corners of my eyes. So I darkened it a little bit, and then I'm gonna take a tiny brush, go in with the White Christmas again, and I'm gonna apply this on the inner corners of my eyes. So I am done with the shadows. Really happy with how it turned out. And now I'm gonna go line my eyes, apply mascara, blush, lip. I'm just gonna finish my whole look and then I'll show you the completed look. So this is my final look. I'm really happy with how the eyeshadows turned out. They're really nice, they're really pigmented, they were pretty blendable. If you're not familiar with Etude House eyeshadows, they're a bit of a hit or a miss. So I was really happy that these turned out pretty well. And I paired it with red lips because this is a holiday look, and with that you have to wear red lips. So here's my look number 1. So moving on to look 2. I'm gonna be again using this cute palette. So very cute. I already did my foundation, I did my brows, I contoured just a little bit, and then now I'm gonna do my eyes. If I can open this. So first shade I'm gonna go with is this shade. It's called Dear or Not. So with this shade, I'm just mainly gonna focus on my crease. Okay, so I have that shade on there, and then now I'm gonna take this color, the star color, and then I'm gonna put this on the outer corner and just a little bit on the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this shade. This is called the Slay Delivery. I'm gonna put this shade closer to my lash line. So the color just kind of darkened the look. Now I'm gonna take this shade called Mary Rudolph, and I'm gonna apply this on the middle of my eye. Ooh. So I just laid the shimmer shade in the middle, and it is gorgeous. Look at that. So to kind of amplify the glitter, I'm gonna take this. This is the Rudolph star with my finger, and I'm just gonna place this. There we go. So I just want to darken the inner corner a little bit more. So I'm gonna go back with this color and apply it on the inner corners. So here's the eyeshadow all done. So again, I'm really happy with how the shadows turned out. The color is very festive, very holiday-ish, very Christmassy. And I love the glitter. I think that it blended pretty well. Again, I'm just gonna go line my eyes, apply blush, some lips, and show you the final look. And finally, here's look 2. For the lips, I decided to go with just a nice nude, dusty, rose pink lip. I didn't go for red because I don't want the red to overpower the look. The eyes already has a red tone, so I didn't want the red lips to overpower it. So kind of kept it simple, went with just a nice pink lip. If you want, you could definitely go with red, but I think the pink looks pretty nice. Okay, so that concludes my holiday look. I hope that this was helpful, and if you are planning on going to a holiday party, hope you look your best. I hope you have fun, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday. If you like this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!